The strike action that you've taken alongside other RMT members since March of this year has succeeded in pushing London Underground back. The pension reform has been delayed, so have the cuts across functions and the reductions in headcount and flexible working that they want to introduce. But don't think for a moment that that means the threat has gone away. If anything, it's now intensifying. We've got a new director of pension review and a new report due out in January on how they're going to try and save £100 million from the pension costs. Across every function now, they're looking at cuts. They've opened up discussions in the Trains Functional Council to impose flexible working and change agreements. On stations, as you know, we've already had 600 job cuts imposed on us. That's going to go right across every function, across engineering and across fleet maintenance, as they roll out their attempts to save money at our expense. Don't let it happen. That's why it's so important that we now get a new mandate for our strike action. We've taken fantastic action since March and held them back. But if we can't now get our mandate across the line, it will all be for nothing. So make sure that you get your ballot paper back. If you've got a ballot paper sitting around at home that you haven't filled out yet, put the crosses in the yes box for action short of strike and strike action. Get that in the post box today. If you need a ballot paper, if you haven't received one, then email info@rmt.org.uk or phone the RMT helpline, give your membership number and we can get a ballot paper out to you. The last day for requesting a replacement ballot paper is this Thursday, the 1st of December, but don't leave it till then. There's CWU postal strikes coming up. We've got to get those ballot papers in the post now, so just do not delay. If you can, fill your paper in, get it in the post box. If you need to request a replacement, do that today and make sure you take part in this democratic process. We're going to carry on fighting to make sure that we defend our jobs, our agreements, and our pensions. The way we need to do that right now is to get over that ballot mandate. So do whatever you can. Send your paper back and talk to your workmates about whether they've sent their papers back. We need to make sure we get over the line and keep the pressure on London Underground. If we do, we can win and we can defend your jobs, pay and conditions.